Well, it's bonfire night. It's here in the UK. It's about 8 o'clock at night. All the fireworks are going off. We've got the lights on in the chicken coop. They'll go off about 10 o'clock tonight. They slowly fade out, so the chickens have got time to get on the roosts. We've had a new addition to the chicken coop. We've added some music. Music that plays in the chicken coop, and let's see how they are. Here they all are. They're all pretty calm. There's fireworks going off, quite loud. You probably can't hear the music's on quite low. They're just sitting here quite happy. There's one on the floor. There's the lights. They're like a red and a few blues in like a strip light. And there's the speakers. Right, I'm back in the coop now. I've just turned the music up a bit so you can hear it. As you can see, the chickens are all pretty calm. No panics. And we've got a chicken on the floor. The lights up here, the lights, the strip of lights will go out, but the other lights you can see, there's another 2 lights above them. They stay on for a bit longer and slowly dim off to nothing. So it gives them a chance for the chickens to get back up onto the perches. There is a separate video for how they've done the lighting in the previous video. But that's just a quick video to show you the chickens at night in the coop on bonfire night. All quite happy and calm. Right, let's check on the chickens. It's about 9 o'clock at night now, on bonfire night, and let's see how they are. We've got the lights on for them still. They won't go out for about another half an hour, an hour. We've got the music on. Normally that would go off by now, but I'll leave it on for the night. And the chickens are still calm. The cockerel is even going to sleep. Right, back in the coop and the lights have gone out. Just the 2 remaining little lights will fade out. It's bonfire night and the chickens are still calm. I'm just dozing off to sleep now. You can't really see them because it's too dark. To see more of my videos, go to my chicken channel Adrian Eyres Chickens on YouTube. We've got all sorts of different videos on chickens. Okay, thank you, goodbye.